All right, welcome everybody to week 10, your last week of regular classes. Then we will go into finals week. Like I said in the exam review, please review the calendar so you see when it is, and I know if there's any problems on that day. So I want us all to take it on the same day. All right, let's talk about your project. That's what you have for this week. There'll be several pieces to this project. This is just the first piece, and this piece is due on Wednesday. But let me just give you the outline of the project first. You are going to do some design work, so feel free to look online at existing systems. Feel free to do research, but you need to come up with your own design. So what you're going to design is a soap holder that can be put into a shower. So there's certain parameters I want to this soap holder. You have to be able to operate it with your eyes closed. So blind operation. It needs to keep the soap dry. So, in other words, when you're in the shower, the soap's in its holder, that soap stays dry. Obviously, when you use it, it gets wet and you'll put it away wet, but that water should then leave somehow. And then the soap has the opportunity to dry out. Actually, while you're in the shower, it could dry out. So it should keep the soap dry when the soap is in that system. It needs to be a one-hand operation. So eyes closed, one-hand operation, you should be able to get the soap in it and also get the soap out of it, obviously. Keeps the soap dry. It needs to be as light as possible. So lightweight. It needs to be at least 2 pieces. Could be more, but it needs to be at least 2 pieces. So that means we'll need to have a sketch for each piece for Wednesday and a sketch for the overall design. So for Wednesday, you're going to make an isometric sketch of the overall design, and then you're going to make a multiple view sketch for each piece for Wednesday. So this is the design phase. It can be just a hand sketch, not an instrument drawing. It needs to be a hand sketch. So think about your design, how you want to go about it, and then sketch it up for Wednesday. 2-bolt mount. And those are going to be for 1/4 inch bolts. So, you know, they might be lag screws, they might be 1/4 inch screws, but your design is going to be to receive or accept 1/4 inch screws. So, you do not have to have it fully dimensioned for Wednesday. Wednesday is a conceptual sketch. You can do multiple conceptual sketches if you want, but I'm looking for Wednesday. ISO sketch for your system, and then a multi view. That's like front, top, side, but you might not need front, top, side. You might just need front and top. Multi-view sketch each piece. Okay? So once we get that done, then we'll go into the instrument drawings on these and also some documentation like Excel and Word. So we're going to kind of wrap a few things into this. The design doesn't have to be complicated. It shouldn't be complicated. The simpler you make it, then the easier the drawings will be to make. I'm not going to grade you on your design. I'm going to grade you on your graphics, the stuff that we worked on in class. I know you're not designers, although this is a pretty simple system. But what I'm going to look at is how you deliver this graphical information to me, and then if you do everything right. So your sketches need to be engineering quality sketches like we did early on. They should include a title block, a date, your name, a scale, all of those kind of things. As necessary. So think about or look back over what we did earlier and give me an engineering quality sketch. That's what I'm looking for. All right, and then the next phases we'll get delivered to you on Wednesday, and then we will turn them in on Friday. So this will be due at the end of the week as an ending project. And we'll put some points to this, so do a good job. All right, that's it. Good luck with your soap holders.